Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be doing the unboxing of the Young Nails e-file. I had to order this one because I had the Melody Susie Scarlet one, and here it is here. This one, I had this one not that long, and this piece here is going, it has a shortage in it, so it works, but I have to take my time with it because it keeps shorting out or whatever because of that cord. So unfortunately I had to order me a new one, and since I was ordering a new one, I was like, well, I guess I'll try out the Young Nails and see how that one is. So here it is. It just came today. Comes in a beautiful package here. So let's go ahead and open it up. Alright. Here we go. So comes with the instructions on what you need to do or how do you use it. This is just a protective film to go over the top of it, and here it is. Let's move that right there. So it looks pretty neat. Yeah, it's pretty neat. I do like it. I'm gonna have to read up on the directions and see exactly how to use it. So it does come with the power cord, and this is the holder piece for the drill itself. Excuse me, for the e-file. I don't like calling it a drill because then I'm thinking of tools that I work with out in my garage. So the e-file can sit in there, and here is the hand piece. I can get that out. Let's just get rid of this box. So here is the hand piece. And I think this would be better, having this little piece where I can just sit it on, and that way the cord isn't just bent over like this the whole time. So yeah, hopefully this works and I'll be able to deal with that. So I'm gonna go ahead and plug it in and see. How this works. I'm the type of person, when I buy something, I would try to buy something that is, I wouldn't say too expensive, but I'd rather invest in my stuff to get something good. So that's why I went ahead and got this one. Alright, so pardon me, I'm gonna plug this up real quick. So right here is the power button. So I'm gonna go ahead and press that. I'm not sure if y'all can see that, but it is on. It's on now. I'm gonna go ahead and take this off. Now I'm gonna leave that on for right now. So here you can do forward and reverse, turn the motor on and off, forward and reverse. I'm not sure if y'all can see this, but it changes it right here. You can change it to foot pedal or the hand pedal. I don't have a foot pedal with this one. Yeah, I don't have a foot pedal with that, so yeah, you can do that. And once you turn it, it goes up. I can't remember how high it go, but yeah, so counterclockwise it turns the RPMs down, clockwise it goes up. So I think I am really gonna like this drill. I love the Melanie Susie, but I kind of liking this one now, so I'm gonna give it a try and see how it works out, and I'll let you guys know in another video. I just wanted to come and show y'all a quick unboxing of how it looks. Yeah, so I guess I'll get with you guys later and let you know exactly how it is. Talk to you guys later. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have purchased the Young Nails e-file, please let me know down in the comment box how you like it, what's your feedback on it, and some good storage tips so that this piece right here doesn't have a shortage in it like my Melanie Susie did. So without further ado, talk to you guys later.